Decoding the term, base pair. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating term that bridges the worlds of biology and language. Base pair. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in a sentence. In biology, DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries genetic information in our cells. DNA is made up of units called nucleotides, and these nucleotides contain bases. There are 4 types of these bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. A base pair refers to 2 bases that are joined together by a bond, forming a rung in the DNA ladder-like structure. The pairing is always specific. Adenine, A, pairs with thymine, T, and cytosine, C, pairs with guanine, G. Why is understanding base pairs important? Base pairs play a crucial role in the structure of DNA. The specific pairing ensures that DNA can replicate itself accurately. When cells divide, they need to copy their DNA, and the predictable base pairing ensures that the information is transferred correctly. Another point to note is that the sequence of these base pairs determines the genetic information carried by the DNA. Changes in this sequence can lead to genetic mutations, which can be either harmless or harmful. Now that you know what a base pair is, let's look at how you can use it in a sentence. 1. Scientists have discovered that the human genome consists of over 3 billion base pairs. 2. Any change or mutation in the base pair sequence can affect the function of a gene. 3. The DNA double helix has base pairs connecting the 2 strands, resembling the steps of a ladder. And there you have it. Now you're well equipped with the knowledge of the term base pair. Whether you're reading about genetics or having a discussion about DNA, you'll know precisely what this term means. We hope this has been insightful and wish you happy learning ahead.